हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम. तर आता आपण रेस्पिरेशन या चॅप्टरचा पार्ट 2 बघणार आहोत बॉटनी कोर्समधला. सो स्टार्ट. रेस्पिरेशन. फर्स्ट विल सी द डेफिनेशन अँड द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द respiration. See here, it is also called as cellular respiration. The definition of the respiration is, see here, the respiration is defined as it is an intracellular process of oxidation in which complex organic substances are broken down in stepwise manner with the release of energy, which is immediately converted into metabolically usable form of energy, that is ATP. Or see, the definition is large but a simple one. Respiration is defined as intracellular process of oxidation in which complex organic substances are broken down into stepwise manner with the release of energy, which is immediately converted into ATP, or a metabolically usable form of energy, that is the ATP. First one, the respiration is an intracellular process. Means respiration is an intracellular process means as the respiration takes place within the cell of an organism, hence it is called as intracellular process. And second one, the respiration is an catabolic process. See here, the respiration is called as catabolic process because of the respiratory substances are broken down to liberate biologically available energy, that is energy. Broken down means catabolic and formation means anabolic. That means the photosynthesis is anabolic process and respiration is a catabolic process. In photosynthesis the ATP is used, and in photosynthesis, in respiration the broken down to liberate energy. Means respiration means in respiration the ATP is released. And third one is respiration is an exergonic reaction. See here, the respiration is an exergonic reaction. It means that is the energy released which is used to produce ATP from ADP, and ATP can then be used to drive life processes which requires energy. That means exergonic reaction. The three main points here: the respiration is an intracellular process, catabolic process, and exergonic reaction. We'll see here that is a cellular respiration. It takes oxygen from atmosphere and water from the soil, and it was the carbon dioxide and stores sugar. It is the respiration. And so the third one is one term, that is respiratory substrate. It means the respiratory substrate means the potential organic material which is used in respiration by organisms to synthesize energy rich ATP, called as respiratory substrate. To synthesis energy rich ATP, the material which is used is called as respiratory substrates. And the examples of these respiratory substrates are, which are the respiratory substrates? The first one is carbohydrates, second one is proteins, third one is fats and organic acids, etc. Mainly the carbohydrates, especially glucose, are the main respiratory substrates as they are acceptable to all the kinds of the organisms. One important term. Let's see the next. Second one is the significance of this respiration. What is the role of respiration in our life? We see here significance of the respiration. First one is for releasing the energy. Oxidation of food takes place to release biologically available energy. Second one is production of intermediates, means the various intermediates produced during respiration are used in synthesis of fats or proteins. Third one is recycling of the carbon. CO2 liberated during the respiration is made available for the synthesis, thus photosynthesis. Thus it recycles carbon in nature, means recycling of the carbon. And fourth one is for industrial production of the alcohol. Alcohol is produced commercially by the fermentation and by using the anaerobic respiration, and commercially alcohol is used as fuel and medicines. The last one is the production of organic acids. Organic acids are produced by using the fermentation process, which are useful for the mankind. So the third one is the overall equation. We'll see the overall equation of the respiration. The first is the overall equation of the aerobic respiration, and the second one is overall equation of the anaerobic respiration. See here the overall equation of aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. This is glucose, this is oxygen, and 6 CO2 molecules plus 6 H2O molecules and plus energy in the form of ATP. There are 38 ATP molecules are released in the aerobic respiration. And second one is the overall equation of the anaerobic respiration. This is the glucose, and it is ethyl alcohol, and 2 molecules of ethyl alcohol and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide, and the energy in the form of 2 ATP molecules are formed in the anaerobic respiration. So we can stop here the part first of this respiration chapter. So next we will see the mitochondria, the ultrastructure, and the major components and the functions of the mitochondria. So thank you. See here.